I am starting a Q&A session on Instagram where you can ask me everything you want about your store, products, ads, and everything. And I know right now I look like I just had the craziest weekend of my life, and after that my girlfriend dumped me. However, I just have this weird eye infection. I have no idea what it is, but basically that's why I look like this. Anyways, for the next days I'm not going to be too active on YouTube. However, I'm going to do a lot of Q&A sessions on Instagram. Okay? So what you can do is just ask me any random question you want about dropshipping, or like personal stuff, or whatever you want to, specifically related to business and dropshipping, and I'm gonna answer everything without holding back. So if you want me to review your product, I'm gonna tell you if it's a bullshit product or if it's a good one. If you show me your ads, I'm gonna tell you what I like about them, what I don't like about them. If you show me your store, I'm gonna do the same. And in general, if you have anything you just wanted to ask a dropshipper who actually is consistently making money with it, then this is the opportunity to do so. So I'm gonna link my Instagram somewhere in this video, and also below in the comments and in the description, so you can ask me all the questions you want there. And I hope I get some really interesting questions so we can get a really interesting discussion going on there.